Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 过 step by step. First, I will write it in printing script, then following one word and one sentence as always. Without further ado, let's get started. 过过 it means to cross, to go over. 过 for example, 过来 过来 to come over. Now, check this sentence. You could come over next time. You could come over next time. You could come over next time. 你可以下次再来。你可以下次再来。你可以下次再来。你可以下次再来。Now, follow me to write 过 fast. You can write it like this. 过过过过 to cross, to go over. 过来 to come over. You could come over next time. 你可以下次再来。Please comment any words or sentence with 过. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.